Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing well. Happy Monday to you all. It is day 22 of the chillies. And let's have a little look through. Of course, not much today. Just a bit of rotation is going to be done so that everything gets light. The soil is still very much okay for water. I think everything's set and ready. What I'm going to try and do is try filming close up with the lights off for a second and then with the flashlight on, just to see if it's a bit more better viewing. If not, then it will be these lights instead. Let's have a little look. I hope you're doing well, and let's have a check, shall we? Way better in them. Let's have a quick scan through and have a look at everything today and see how they're looking. I really think everything's going along in the right direction. Some of those little smaller plants, who knows if they are going to make it through, but honestly, it's nature's working its magic, I suppose, you know. Let's have a little look through, shall we? Got some cayennes there, Scotch bonnet, MOA, a Buena Mulata, that might be one, who knows. Dreamcatcher there, beautiful leaves, Zebranges. Okay. First casualty. That large orange tie is toppled. I didn't even notice when we were checking before. But hey, that's why we put about 4 or 5 of them in the cup, so still got 4 to go through. Hopefully they survive. But there we go. First fail. First attempt. Never mind. Okay, we got an Armageddon at the back here. Those leaves are coming on great. Those Kashmiri Merch, got 2 at the back there. They're pretty much outgrowing the pot. However, they're a bit leggy. Got a large orange tie. Cayenne. Poblano. Our little Armageddon. There's Kashmiri Merch at the back. Tabasco there. Another little Armageddon. I think everything you can see, but the water as well is very much present in the soil. It's not going to need me for quite a while. But I genuinely think everything's doing alright. The Sugar Rush Peach Stripies at the back. Good and strong. Bit leggy. I think everything's so far so good. I keep saying that, but again, time will tell. I want to thank you all for joining us today, and I hope you've had a wonderful Monday. You take care of yourself. Take care of me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Thank you all so much for watching. We really appreciate it, and we will see you all tomorrow. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.